Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy, magical 2-in-1 paper transformer. So this is not an ordinary paper flower bouquet because it has a secret. Watch and see how I'll transform it into a paper doll in a ball gown. Ta-da! If you like this craft, I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to join our crafty community. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, grab a card paper and fold it into 4 equal parts. Cut it in half and draw a picture of a girl, or you may also download the template from the description below. Cut the picture together with the second layer of the card paper. Add details on the second cutout for the back of the image. And stick them together. Take the excess paper from the cutouts and trace the arm. Layer it with another paper before cutting to make a pair. Apply glue just until the upper arm and stick it on the girl cutout. Make sure that the hands can move and not sticking on the card paper. To make the flowers, grab few colors of crepe paper and cut some paper strips. Each paper strip is about 23 cm by 3 cm. Fold it and trim the sides to make scallops pattern. To start making a flower, grab a paper strip. Add glue on the bottom part of it. Roll and gently stretch as you gather the pleats in the center. To make the stems, take a piece of green cardstock and cut into several thin strips. We need 2 card strips for each flower. We just made 10 pieces of flowers. For the skirt in the flower wrapper, grab a crepe paper, measure and cut 46 cm by 17 cm. Now grab the girl cutout and stick 2 layers of double-sided tape around the waist. Attach each flower stem around the waist, just like this. Now apply a strip of double-sided tape along the top edge of the crepe paper. Hold the girl figure upright and align the crepe paper just below the marked line to cover the flower stems. Gather the crepe paper as you secure it to create a pleated effect. gently stretch the crepe paper to give volume. For the top layer of the skirt, fold the crepe paper into 4 and cut some scallops pattern. Then attach it around the first layer of crepe paper. Make sure to gather and make pleats as you secure it around the figure. Now lift and open up the top layer of the skirt, completely covering the head of the figure. Grab some ribbons and stick it around the middle section of the skirt. Now, gently turn it over and stick some ribbons around the waist of the figure. Add a bow and arrange the hands as you like. And there you have it. Your very own DIY 2-in-1 paper craft is ready. If you have any paper craft or DIY requests, let me know in the comments below and let's try to make one together. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next craft. Bye!